Ali bin Ahmad narrated from Ubaidullah bin Musa al-Alawi, from Abdullah bin Muhammad, from Muhammad bin Khalid, from Al-Hasan bin al-Mubarak, from Abu Ishaq al-Hamadani, from Al-Haris al-Hamadani, that Amir al-Mu'mineen alayhi salam said, Al-Mahdi alayhi salam will come from the east, but before that As-Sufyani will rise in Sham. He, the Sufyani, will rule for 9 months only. All the people of Sham will submit to him except a very few believers, who will still keep to the truth and whom Allah preserves from following him. He will move towards Medina with a great army, but when they reach the desert of Medina, Allah will make the desert sink with them. It is a saying of Allah in His holy book. And could you see when they shall become terrified? But then there shall be no escape, and they shall be seized upon from a near place. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farjahum.